I created a dope Afrobeat guitar type beat from this tutorial. Later we turn it into a full song. The song has over 3 million views on YouTube. The tutorial also has almost 300k. Today I wanna create another Afrobeat guitar type beat, a different vibe, and maybe later we can have an artist on it. Also, I know it's hard for some of y'all to create realistic guitar melody in FL Studio. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you the easiest way to create fire guitar melody for your beat. So let's have some fun. I have my tempo set at 112 and the electric guitar library load on contact 8, and let's try to create our melody. Something very simple, guys. Okay, those are going to be our words. Okay, nice. Okay, now we are going to add another note just to make it sound much more interesting. Then let's try the B right there. Now we are going to try to create the bounce already, because I want to have vibe when I'm creating this instrumental. So first thing, let's go to the Afrobeat mini stash. Oh, let's go to Konpa. There's this right there that I love using. Let's go pretty simple. Nice. Okay, now we want some shaker. Let's have this one. Okay, maybe add this one. So now I want to try to find a nice balance for my shaker, because normally sometimes the shaker take too much space on your mix, and that can be a problem. So we can lower. Maybe we go with this one. Okay, that sounds good. Now we can complete it with some Amapiano element. Let's go to percussion. I think we can use this one right there, which is shy. Okay, we'll go with this one. Okay. Okay, now I think we can process some of those to make them sound much more interesting. This, I think I can transpose it maybe lower. Okay, let's see if we can transpose this lower. Okay, and also we can add more reverb on it. Go with this one right there. That's nice, but on this one right there, I just want to make it sound much more smooth. Let's say we add maybe some flanger chorus. Okay, that sounds good. Now we can add a kick. I think I can take one from the Afrobeat mini stash. Let's go to kick. I think I'm gonna go with Mina. Finish Foster. That's a vibe already. Now I want to add some detail to the drum pattern. Let's say we want to add some, maybe some live feel to it. Let's go in there and try to create something, and we can just follow. Okay, we'll go with this one. Sorry guys, my phone was in my pocket, sorry. And then maybe we can use the hi-hat pedal. I want to be able to hear those. Nice. And then nice. Okay. Now we want to add the bass vibe. Let's say that we use trillion. What happened with trillion? What is it? It is upside down. Okay. Let's go, and then we go with waiting. Okay, this is too loud, this one is too loud. Maybe you can definitely to take those bass down. This one is too long. And also you don't want them to be tight on time, so this is too fast. Nice, nice, I love it. Comment B. Okay, now we can add maybe some okay, but those one we want them to be short note. LQ, quantize duration. Nah, I want them here. Woo! I wanna add more detail again. Let's use this one. Okay, and then we can add a drum fill. Maybe use this one, just right there. Go back to cell. We are creating something crazy, guys. Woo! Woo! It's a vibe. I really love what we created so far, but now we are going to definitely take it to another level. Let's say this one, we turn it into, we make it unique, and then we can add some element in this one, which are going to be some Amapiano element. Let's say that first thing gonna be adding maybe tremolo signal. 5. And now we add another instrument, which is a nexus, so we can try to find maybe a saxophone or a flute, something that sounds good. Maybe I think I'm gonna go with a flute since everyone is using saxophone. Let's use this one. I love this flute preset, guys. And then we just go create simple. RQ, we quantize. You see, this sound better. In my opinion, this sound better than saxophone. I don't know if I'm used to saxophone too much, sorry, but this one sound crazy. Well, on this part right there, I wanna add another instrument, which is gonna be maybe some piano. This one is gonna be here. This is gonna be a major, and then we can transpose those notes here. Okay, another thing I wanna add is like a snare, so we can definitely bring the Amapiano, and then after we will add some log drum. Okay, now we go here. Woo! Okay, let's see now if we can definitely add some log drum in another bass to bring a vibe to the instrumental. And also, let me not forget to save. And this one we can play with it, and 1. We just play some note right there, and then it's like we could so we can create some. Okay. I think what I'm gonna do now is adding another log drum. Let's use this vibe right there, and then we close the pattern with this one. Now maybe we take this one down a little bit. Okay, I think what we can do now is combine those two together. Ooh, that's fire. And there we, let's say on this one I'm going to create a slide bass. Let's start here. Maybe we'll create a long note right there. That's fine. That's a vibe. We just create a vibe now. And I think I'm gonna go to fire, and let's say we use this sub bass right there, and then you just create a slide note, and then we're good. Just for the start of this right there, cut yourself also, and then we just go here, and then we do slide, and we accept, we hit accept, and we do it like that. Let's see. Guys, I love what I created so far. It's a vibe. Now I'm gonna go off camera and then create a little anime because I don't want the video to be too long, and then I'm gonna play the final vibe for y'all. Enjoy. That's it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have questions, please leave a comment down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe so we can reach 100k. Yeah, see you on the next one.